Not good. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. We're better than that. That's it. That's it.
All right. Oh, there you go. There you go. Wait for call. Come on, let's take.
Heads. Deep, deep, deep. There you go.
Get to it. There you go. No, when the kids figure that out, they start taking the
Now, I do agree with what you wrote here.
Oh, not what it is. Pick it up. Good. Hit him.
Oh, Jackson. Uh-oh.
Foosball now, baby. Okay. Oh,
uh-oh. Deep. Hit Amari. Hit Amari.
PK. Go. Go.
Oh, that was not a hit from behind?
Oh, no, Brady was up.
Dude, that was a hit from behind. He just didn't connect all the way.
See the speed though? There you go. There you go. They're cool. You gotta play higher. Here we go. Oh, you almost broke it. Yeah. He's down. Hey, you still doing Duncan's original? You caught some of them? There you go. There you go. Oh, that's a terrible ball. You gotta learn to fucking hold there. Marcos calling what time? You could go and be better than that. Came out and they scored. No problem.
Woody, look. Nice. Good job.
I have a hard time now. I can't imagine okay, Marilyn Manson, yeah, but you know, this is of that next. I don't think. Right.
Set it up. Look. Nice.
What the fuck, coach?
Get in front of the goalie. Deep. Oh. Deep.
It's right here, you know. So are you trying to brainwash me to
I want to shot.
you know?
Move. Around. There you go. Don't lose it high.
Right there.
It's a lot. Yeah.
Nice.
You're useless, ref!
I did like that last
You're useless!
falling off the pad.
Come on, boys, move it. Move it. Move it.
Did they score or did we score? They scored.
They did. Oh my God. Now what? Get there, get there. Oh man. We're getting our chances. Quicker, quicker, fuck. Nope. I thought he knocked it off.
Yeah.
Look. Fuck, make the pass, Harry.
Yeah.
I mean, really?
No, boys.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, I'm just waiting for this zipper to come down. Right. Same thing. Right?
Come on, boys. You gotta get the puck out of the zone.
Come on. Which one? Watched it falling down.
Got him, didn't beat him.
Oh my God.
He's in front. Meek's get in front. There you go. There you go.
Nice, there you go. Lots of on table is a lot of stuff. Okay. Oh! A lot of chances, capitalize on them. All right, whoa.
Come on, ref. He doesn't like getting hit.
Yeah, oh man.
Now what? Oh, come on, guys. Come on, boys.
There it is.
Thank you.
go, defense. Let's go.
Look, all the time in the world. There you go. Skate, 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 skate.
That's me in the other year. 2021 is going to be fucking good.
That's it. Good job.
Very screwed 21.
Go defense! You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it! Oh! Keep playing, keep playing, keep playing the rebound!
Oh, come on! Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, you finally call it 3 minutes later.
Right.
Make them, come on, make it work. Come on.
I feel bad.
In front of the net!
Reset.
Come on, boys, do it again.
Deep, there you go. Head up, Jake. Head up. Head up.
Go his eyes, Rick. Go his eyes. On you, on you.
Good job, Moots. Jackson, get in. Oh, nice play. Stick on the ice, Jaden.
Come on. Be more aggressive on that.
Change.
Step up. Let's go. Come on, Dad.
No, right to him. Make it work, boys. Make it work.
Go.
Come on, dude.
Come on,
dude.
come on.
Let that shot go.
Sorry, I don't go wild hard. No easy, baby. Nice try, though. Nice try, though. Got it again.
Right
Stay right there. Oh.
Get there.
Get right in the middle.
You're not going to win if you're in the penalty box half the game.
You're right. You can't win that way. No, we're not even streaming. We're down. Fuck it.
It looks like him.
Yeah, because they're identical twins.
But he had some weight on, and I said, oh, he's getting a little chunky.
Oh, he just nailed Harry.
CFO of a company in prospect. I think trying to get started.
Now what?
3 shifts off here.
Oh, shut up.
There's no ice. There's no ice now, but we're eating Frank.
Come on, Dad.
There you go. Good. Nice shit. Yep.
His ego.
Yeah.
He's all good now.
See, you got this shit on the way back.
Oh, Xander threw another check. Wow. Xander's throwing checks today. Oh, come on.
You're down in old game, boys.
Oh, he gets out. Oh, let's see how long.
He's fresh. That's what
Oh! Yeah, there you go.
Come on, Kevin.
Oh! This player almost tipped it in.
Yeah. Probably broke his sticky sound like.
Come on, you got to get the puck out.
Gotta get it out wide.
There you go. There you go. Dig! What are you scared of? Shove your stick in there. Sam,
Oh, come
Sam.
on.
You gotta make that pass, Sam. Boys, there we go. Come on, forward check. Forward check, boys. Forward check. Forward check. Forward check. Now what? We got another penalty? No. Oh. Forward check. Come on, boys. Make the mistake. There you go. Yeah.
That's it, baby. Oh, right. Let's go. Let's go.
That was weak. Slow down. No. Good job.
There you go.
Puck now.
Whoa, whoa, the elbow. Look at that.
2 elbows. 2 elbows.
Yeah, the end of that there. That penalty at the end.
Where's Tom? His son's on the ice. On a power play. So I could tell him to shut up.
He hasn't been out there.
Oh. Jeez.
Man, they got lucky on that one. Who's on the power play? That's the one. Okay. There you go. There you go. That's right. Take a minute. There you go. There you go, meat, baby. There you go. Still got it. Still got it. Still got it. Back to the bruiser. Back to the bruiser right there.
Oh! Oh! Where is he? He's not even here.
Let's get him back. Look, back to the bruiser. Let's get him.
Not even here. He's not even here.
This kid's gonna do that shit. Amazing, your kid, but he wasn't on the ice.
Yeah.
He hasn't seen the ice in 3 days.
Like we could have got it. Exactly, right?
I was just a step away.
Right. Had it been me, I'd have been right there.
Oh, watch it, Jackson. Oh, I got him.
Look like you did too. Look.
Where'd Corey go? Where's Corey? Is she inside or is she out there?
No, I don't think she's out there.
Where's Corey? Outside.
She still?
I don't know where
She
she...
came in.
I just saw her. Oh, there she is, right there.
I want to say she came in before we got.
Oh, you didn't go there. I'm just watching the game. Becky's over.
Oh! Who's in front? No one's covering the front.
Yeah.
Get out.
Come on. You got a man behind you.
Come on!
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You
give him ties?
Put both in the box. You put both in the box. You didn't know that?
Forecheck, buddy.
Get to him. Yeah, yeah.
Because there's
Better though. Not about that.
Come on.
there, oh!
Oh, rebound! Oh!
How does he wave that off? How does he wave? I don't know. I give up. I'm keeping my mouth shut. Look, look.
Oh, oh, man!
Aidan. Get off. There you go. That's it. He's going to choke. Pressure him. He's going to choke. That's what happened.
Come on, man!
And then he gives up a free.
There he is. That's put a body on him. That's right, baby. Put a body on him, baby. Put the body to the floor, baby. Both penalties up.
Why? Make sure of it. Oh, Jesus, guys. Now what?